This is how you find a real estate attorney in your state. Do a little quick Google search, scroll down, look for this map, more businesses. Then what you're going to do is you're going to want to sort by highest, and then you could pick your city. I'll do one of each. I'll start with Tampa. You just zoom in. Then what you're going to do is you're going to want to look for somebody that's highly rated and has been in business for a while. So we're going to skip. All right, 115, 15 years. Okay, just right click, open in a new tab. Let's keep going. Looking for people that's over 100 ratings. Let me find one more real quick. There's got to be one more above 100. Okay, this guy, 15 years. All right, Orlando. There's got to be a few here. Come on. This guy. Oh, this one. Any more? All right, here we go. Let me go down to Miami real fast. Okay, this guy doesn't say how long he's been in business. Whatever, let's check it. Okay, so we got 3 for each city. And then what you want to do is you want to do a quick search for the term real estate and see what kind of services. It should be very obvious that they're a real estate attorney. And obviously this guy's got real estate written all over his page. Looks like a good bet. He's all over Florida. He's got some socials here you can follow. So this is looking like a good one. This next one, search real estate. We got 12 hits on this one. Looking pretty good. Some socials here that you could follow. Next, all right, Tampa. This is the third one for Tampa. You can go ahead and search these guys. And then let's go to the next one. This one's Orlando. Only two hits. And then a few socials. I don't know, I might pass on that one. What? No hits. So this is not a real estate attorney you want. One more for Orlando. We only got 3. That's it. A few socials there. Here we go. I don't know. Might skip on that one. Finally, Miami. We got 7 hits on this one. Got some socials here. Come on, a couple more. This guy. Real estate litigation. Okay. Come on, got some real estate. Got some socials for this guy. Yep, here we go. We can follow this dude. And last one, 7 hits on this one. Pretty good. Any socials? Doesn't look like. Anyways, you should reach out to these guys and look for a free consultation to start a good relationship. Let's say you asked around and you did your research and you decided that you're going to go with Stephen Hatchie. And you live in Tampa. He's close by. You've followed him on X. You like what you see. The last thing you need to do is make sure you look him up on the Florida bar in whichever state you're in. And in here, you just go find your lawyer. What you're doing here is you want to make sure they're in good standing. What is it? Hatchie, what was his first name? It was Steven. There he is. Right off the bat, you see he's in good standing. He can practice law in the state of Florida. What I noticed was a couple things. He practices real estate, which is a good thing. He's a smaller size firm. Not that big of a deal. And no discipline history right here. And then once you decide that you're going to move forward and you want to set up a consultation, I prepared some questions for you. I'll provide this resource. It's just something you could bring to the meeting, ask some questions. And if you want to, consult a few different real estate attorneys, you can compare and contrast, but I'm just trying to help you guys out as best as possible.